So what was App to Fame Challenge 2012? We thought that one way to challenge our huge developer community was to basically conduct the biggest SMS-based competition in India and encourage developers at large to build applications on our platform. It was, as I said, one of the largest online developer contests in India, open for any developer in the country. We had specifically defined categories with crisply defined problem statements, and we asked developers to come up and build applications for the same. There are wonderful prizes up for grabs. More than 7.5 lakh worth of prize money is something that was that could be acquired through this competition. Some more details. Participation at a glance. This was launched on July 19, 2012, and it continued till September 7th, 2012. We got 1,000 plus great applications on our platform. 500 plus enthusiastic developers attended the many webinars that we organized over this time period. Over 7.5 lakh in prize money is to be distributed. I'll actually go into the prize distribution piece of the presentation, the felicitation. But before I do that, I would like to call upon Srividya Ramaratnam to give the prizes out for the most popular apps category. The third prize goes to Pavan Teja, Visam Varaprasad and Jagarao M for their app at Enter. So this app basically helps the students of JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University in Andhra Pradesh, to get the latest updates from their university. In fact, I did speak to Pavan some days back, and he was telling me how difficult it is for them to access that information over internet, because it takes time between the results coming out and the information getting updated on the website. This SMS actually solves that problem wonderfully well. Congratulations. The second prize goes to Aditya and Pavan Kumar for their app Quiz Bus. It's a cricket quiz that can be played on a mobile phone via SMS. And now for the first prize, Murli Krishna and Santosh Kumar for the wonderfully creative app at FBC that basically brings the whole social media element on our platform. It helps you access all kinds of information on your Facebook profile, as well as update your status. Anything and everything that you could that you can think about that you wanted to do over Facebook, but did not have an internet on your mobile to actually accomplish the same. Here's the app for that. So that one-line statement, chat with online friends, is just describes one part of the problem. Use the app and then you realize how big the problem they have solved. Congratulations. I'll move to the next category, the most, as I would say, the most difficult category in my personal viewpoint, where we had given crisply defined business problem statements to developers and asked them to build solutions for the same. I would like to call upon stage Mr. Vijay Anand, the Vice President of Intuit India and one of the esteemed members of the jury, to give out the prize. The third prize goes to Abhijit Bhattacharjee for his app at Elect. Is Abhijit out here? We had many polling applications on the platform. Poll voting application is something that a lot of companies asked us for. But the beauty, and many of them actually made the final list also. But the beauty of this application, as told by the jury, and that's something that I also realized, during the presentation is the wonderful use of fuzzy matching that he has used in his application to ensure that even if there are typos in the application, they are actually taken care of. That clearly helps this app stand out. Congratulations, Abhijit. The second prize goes to this app called Ad Ticker, built by Arjun Bhardwaj. Ad Ticker basically is an app that has built an entire group API as well as a chat system over our platform. So the app is basically a chat app, but the interesting part is Arjun has actually built an entire group API that other developers could use to build their own chat system on our platform. Not just on our platform, if I'm not mistaken, the API can be used to build chat apps on other platforms such as Android as well as iPhone. I'm not sure about iPhone, I know it works for Android. So this helps build the entire developer community. Check out his APIs, he's even open sourced it. And now for the first prize. I have to remove my element of dispassion here. This is also my personal favorite. It's the app called @IVS. This app basically helps solve a very pertinent and a very practical problem that all educational institutions face today. The idea is to provide SMS enable all these educational institutions such that the timetables of these classes in these educational institutions, their examination alerts, etc., everything is SMS enabled, and that's what these guys have done. But most importantly, you know, taking a cue from what Jaspreet said in his previous presentation, they built a wonderful minimum viable product and have actually taken customer focus to an entire new level. They spoke to educational institutions and have ensured that educational institutions do not have to code at any point in time. They just share their Excel sheet with relevant information, and the entire app is built on the fly because of the wonderful logic that they have used in their application.
We have with us today Vivek Sancheti and Bhargav Joshi, the winners of the first prize for the business solution category for the App2Fame. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
How does it feel to win the first prize in the business solution category?
It feels good, really good.
It's great that TXT, it's very easy to integrate, and it's nice that that people from your team are appreciating our work and giving us the prizes.
So how did you zero on the idea of the app at
Actually,
IVR?
I had such idea before this App2Fame contest was released, that developing some solution for result-oriented solutions for schools or educational institutes. So next moment, means after a few days, I had seen that App2Fame. In that, the first problem statement was this business solution which can work out for educational institutes. So I analyzed it more and more, and I had visited some schools. So what process they are following for result display? They mainly follow is that they print out the Excel sheets and display on notice board. So I thought, why not we integrate this with TXT Web? Means they are having Excel sheet, then why can't they upload in some websites and they can make out some SMS apps? I just want to say one thing: whatever you develop, keep it simple and easy to use. That's it. If you are a developer, you may be knowing that coding is really an easy part. Main thing is you should have your mind should be clear what you are going to build. That's it. So clear out what you are going to build first of all, then implement.
So thinking from a user point of view is important.
Yeah.
That is a nice tip. So I hope all the developers are listening. Do you plan to build more apps on the platform?
Yeah, I'm planning. If you know Delhi Metro, I'm going to soon launch Delhi Metro app, WhatsApp app. That is WhatsApp via SMS.
Okay.
So if you are normal phone user, you don't have WhatsApp. On if you means and WhatsApp is only on smartphones. So I'm planning to bring that. I'm trying out on that.
1 lakh rupee. What does that mean to you?
It means a lot.
We have with us the winners of the first prize for the most popular category award for TextWeb's App to Fame. So we have Murli Krishna and Santosh with us, who have built their app at FBC. How does it feel, guys, to win App to Fame?
It feels an awesome experience winning a national level competition. So there we had a lot of experience how to win the prize and how to the day one of the App to Fame contest starts. So we are thinking about what actually we need to plan to create an app and build the app and give the publicity towards it. And it feels a great awesome experience for me.
So how did you guys zero on the idea of the app?
Zero on the idea.
I mean, how did you come up with the idea for the app?
So regularly we mean like the people will use on Facebook very frequently, and we thought like why not we implement and create an application wherein we can directly chat with the friends who are online. So there is no such application now on the SMS. So we thought of creating it, and we saw the very forums to how to build it, and we saw that it's very difficult to build an app that kind of app on the TextWeb to link them. But later on we struggled so much on creating that app, and finally plugging that app towards TextWeb is very easy. So there we completed just in 2 days to plug in that complete information towards the TextWeb platform.
And did you guys take anybody's help or support to build this app?
Yeah, we had help from TextWeb developers in the forum. If we had any queries, we posted in that, and we got a response from the TextWeb developers too. And it was a good chance to converse with the other developers, and also it was a good competition. Once in a while, if there is a competition, then it will be good converse with others and get information. It was all we needed, and so it was a great opportunity for us.
And is there any tip that you would like to give to all budding developers on the platform?
Yeah, it's only the thing you have to find out a way is that is there any application already built on the platform? If it is yes, then try to make it as very user friendly, so that the SMS is the most part therein. You have to see whether it's getting a nice response or it getting a correct results. So if you're already there, then just make it as user friendly. And if it is not, it's not there, and the people who are using it in daily life, whatever we use, so you can implement that applications too.
And do you plan to build more apps on the platform?
Yeah, sure. Why? Because it's an user friendly platform wherein we can just directly go on as soon as we create a web portal or else web kind of thing in the back end. Directly we can just plug in, so that's not a problem in creating a TextWeb application.
Finally, 1 lakh rupee. What does that mean to you?
It's been more than the winning a first prize. So we are very happy to win it.